So we are back with another layered haircut. The very first thing I'm going to do, though, is establish the outline. Before we start the layers, we cut in the outline. So as you can see, I am combing the very first section straight down. I'm combing that hair, and I'm holding the hair between my hands and her back to hold it steady. And this very first section that I'm cutting is going to be the guide for the length for the rest of the haircut. As you can see, I've got the haircut sectioned off from a right side to a left side, straight down the middle. And then I have two A-line sections where I've got the clips holding those hair. Now, I'm taking another A-line section, as you can see right here, and then I'm going to comb that hair down, clip away the rest of the hair, and that section that I just got done cutting is going to be the guide for this section that I'm going to cut right now. And I'm going to work my way up the head, establishing the length throughout the rest of the haircut. Now, once I've got the length all cut in, then I will execute the layering, and then we will have a layered haircut. So now that I've finished cutting the length on the left side, you can see I'm taking another A-line section on the right side, clipping the hair away, combing that section down, and I'm going to use the guide underneath as my, I'm going to use the section underneath as my guide to know how short to cut this current section. Alright, so I am now wrapping up the outline in the back, and it is going to be time to now cut the frame the face layers. These are going to be the layers at the front of the haircut. You can see the very first layer is going to start at about lip length. From there, the layering is going to work its way down to the actual outline that I just got done cutting in the back. So we have a nice fluid outline from the back all the way up to the front where the lip is, from the right side all the way to the left side. I've done the layering on the right side, I should say the frame the face layering. We still have to layer the interior of the haircut. But it is now time to do the frame the face layering on the left side. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I just got done doing on the right side. I'm going to have that shortest layer about the lip length, and then I'm going to have those layers work their way down to the outline that we've already cut. Now time to do the interior layers for the rest of the haircut. So as you can see, I've taken a center section in the middle of the back and I'm combing it straight back, and then from there I'm establishing this very first section as my guide for the rest of the layers throughout the rest of the haircut. So I've taken another section just to the left of the section that I've already cut, and I'm using that previous section as my guide. You're going to notice I'm simply going to take sections, working my way around the head, over directing the current section to the previous section that was already cut, because that previous section that was already cut is the guide to how short I need to cut the current section. Right now that I've done the layers on the left side, it is time to do the layers on the right side. So you can see I'm taking a section, combing this hair back to the previous section, and there is my guide. I'm taking that previous section and basically cutting the current section the same length. So that's what I mean by the previous section being your guide. You're basically going to just copy the previous section when you are cutting a current section, so you know how short to cut the current section. So the hair's all dry now, not a whole lot to explain here other than we are just cutting the bangs. As you can see, I'm holding the hair in my comb, picking it up with my scissors, holding it in my comb, and then simply just going ahead and cutting the desired length for the bangs. We've come to the end of another layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.